Hello, I'm Anthony Haynes. I'm a Regional Sales Manager at Rothenberger UK. I'm here today to introduce you to our new Rothenberger Pipe Cut Mini. The Rothenberger Pipe Cut Mini comes standard with a universal blade for all materials, including cast iron, and up to 110mm. But you can also get blades for ceramic and stainless steel. The unit is part of our energetic range using the CAS battery system. Powerful 18-volt battery, which is also used across 20 manufacturers plus across the world and over 200 tools. If I can quickly show you around the Pipe Cut Mini and a few of the features it has on board, you have this vacuum bag here which collects the shavings of the materials you're cutting, easily emptied. As you come around the front, this is our high quality cutting wheel where you have 3 different types, a universal, a ceramic and a stainless steel wheel. When we come around here, you have 2 grooves. The large groove here is capable of cutting materials up to 110mm just by levering up like that, where these rollers come into action. If it's under 42mm, you can happily keep it closed and then push your machine down across the material. Then you have another groove here for threading rods. If I can turn the machine around for you, just to show you this way around. As you know earlier, this is where the battery goes into the product, and also multifunctional. If you lift the machine there and lift there, it becomes a very small and compact circular saw. So very multifunctional. The Pipe Cut Mini is capable of cutting many materials with ease, including carbon steel, cast iron, plastics and copper. I'd now like to cut some cast iron for you to demonstrate how quickly and simply it goes through. The Pipe Cut Mini will be available from all good Rothenberger stockists, and is also part of our Rothenberger bonus program where you can claim rewards for your purchases and loyalty. Please check out our social media platforms for more information.